The members had exactly 50 minutes before practice. Coffee? Jungkook asked. Please. RM replied without looking up from his phone. Jungkook walked over the vending machine, slipped in his money, and confidently pressed the button. Clunk. Nothing. He pressed it again. Clunk. Still nothing. Yeah. He gently tapped the side of the machine. Come on. Nothing. Jungkook crossed his arms. We can solve this peacefully. The vending machine remained silent. Jimin wandered over. What are you doing? It stores my money. Jimin looked at the screen. It says out of the stock. Jungkook looked. So it's not giving me coffee? No, it's just keeping my money. Looks like it. Jungkook at the machine liked it and personally betrayed him. This is personal now. A few minutes later, all the 7 members were standing in front of the vending machine. Taeyong nodded seriously. I think it's scared. J-Hope tried pressing another drink. It worked perfectly. The bottle dropped with a loud thunk. Everyone looked at Jungkook. Why does it like you? Jungkook asked. J-Hope shrugged with the biggest smile. Maybe I said 감사합니다 first. Jin patted the vending machine. See? Manners. Jungkook sighed. So the vending machine has favorites. RM couldn't stop laughing. I'm adding this to the list. What list? Things Jungkook has accidentally started a rivalry with. The arcade, the fridge, and now. Everyone looked at the vending machine. Jungkook pointed at it. This isn't over. Just then, clunk. A coffee finally dropped. The room went quiet. Jungkook blinked. It apologized. Jimin picked up the drink and handed it to him. I think it just got tired of listening to you. The members burst into laughter, and as Jungkook walked away with the most dramatic victory smile, you see, he held up the coffee like a trophy. I always win in the end. From behind him, Jin called out, You literally lost 21. Details Hyung. The laughter echoed through the practice room all the way to rehearsal.